With a long history, traditional Chinese music is a beautiful example of the unique Chinese culture. In Zhongshan alone, there are 110 schools that have traditional folk music troupes. And today, I've come to the Donghuang Elementary School in Sanzheng Town in Zhongshan to hear more of these stories. In Zhongshan, many of the schools have their own folk music troupes. Here, every day at 4 o'clock, the students from the Donghua folk music troupe get together to practice. We have many traditional Chinese instruments like the erhu, yangqing. We've got some دیتے in the back and some pipa up here. To be honest, many of these instruments are very foreign to me, but each one carries the charm of Chinese traditional culture. And it doesn't matter what instrument you're playing, the traditional Chinese music has this pulsating, beautiful sound that is just intoxicating. These students are really good and they've invited me to practice with them today. Let's see how it goes. Since 2019, Donghua School has established traditional Chinese folk music classes, bands, and clubs among students based on instruments, such as the erhu, díتے, yangqing, guzheng, pipa, and hulu-si. When the students enter the first grade, they can choose traditional Chinese instruments of their interest and start systematically learning folk music. Today, the school's folk music troupe has nearly 300 students. This is a rural school where the students' parents are migrant workers who have come from all over the country. But it doesn't matter where the students came from. Each one is given the opportunity to learn a traditional Chinese instrument. Not only that, they can also participate in the rehearsals and the performances of the folk music troupe. It can be said that traditional Chinese music has ignited the dreams of rural students. In recent years, Zhongshan has been vigorously promoting the traditional Chinese folk music in the schools project. In the New Year celebration, the children from Donghua School Folk Music Troupe have come to Zhongshan Culture and Arts Center. They have brought various forms of performances, including ensemble, reprise, and solo performances in traditional Chinese music. The audience are fully immersed in the melodious rhythms, enjoying the performance to its fullest. Gong Sheng, Jue, Zhi Yu are the 5 tones of ancient Chinese folk music. And Chinese people have said that these 5 tones have been passed on for thousands of generations. But the music doesn't just carry on traditional Chinese culture. In music, children can find confidence and become bright and sunny. And isn't that the essence of learning? I think music can really unlock your creativity and your passion for learning.